Most people don't build wealth. They chase it. They throw money at crypto before they've saved a dime. They buy Tesla stock while still paying interest on last month's credit card bill. And then they wonder, why does my money never seem to work for me? If you've ever made more, but somehow saved less, this video is about to flip your entire money mindset on its head. Because today I'm breaking down the exact order to invest your money step by step. So you stop wasting it, stop guessing, and finally start building wealth that compounds even when you're asleep. This isn't theory. This is the blueprint I used to go from broke and burn out to fully automated income and real financial freedom. So if you're done letting your money control you, hit like, subscribe, because this is Jet Set Finance, and today we're not hoping for wealth, we're engineering it. Step 1. Build a safety net before anything else. Let's start with the one thing no one brags about: a boring emergency fund. You can't invest confidently if one car breakdown wipes out your savings. Most people skip this step and end up selling stocks at a loss just to cover rent. You need 3 to 6 months of expenses sitting in a high-yield savings account. Think of it as your financial seatbelt, not exciting, but life-saving when chaos hits. Once this is set, every dollar you invest will actually stay invested. Now that you've built your safety net, it's time to plug the leaks. Step 2. Kill high-interest debt. It's an anti-investment. Earning 7% in the stock market means nothing if your credit card is charging you 24%. That's like filling a bathtub with the drain wide open. Focus on killing any debt above 8% interest before you invest a single cent. Every payment you make here is a guaranteed return, no market risk, no waiting. And when you're finally debt-free, every future dollar becomes a wealth builder instead of a wealth killer. You can't climb if you're still carrying the anchor. Once the leaks are sealed, we can finally start stacking that cash the smart way. Step 3. Get the free money first, employer match. If your company offers a retirement plan with matching contributions, that's not a perk. That's free money. Skipping it is like refusing a 100% return, no questions asked. So at minimum, contribute enough to get your full employer match. Even if it's small, it's compound growth that starts today. That's your first official investment, and it's already doubled. The fastest way to make money is to stop saying no to free money. Now let's build your base, the foundation of every serious investor's portfolio. Step 4. Build your foundation portfolio, index funds plus ETFs. Forget stock picking, that's gambling with extra steps. Your foundation should be simple: low-cost, broad market index funds and ETFs. These track the entire market instead of one company, giving you instant diversification and steady growth. Put about 80% of your long-term investments here. Let the boring stuff do the heavy lifting while you sleep. Because boring makes millionaires, excitement makes gamblers. You're not chasing luck, you're buying time and compound interest. But even the best portfolio fails if you don't stick with it. Here's how you never fall off track. Step 5. Automate it, because discipline fails, systems don't. We all say we'll start next month. Spoiler, next month never comes. Automation fixes that forever. Set up auto deposits from your paycheck directly into your brokerage or retirement account. That way, investing happens whether you feel motivated or not. You don't think about it, it just builds quietly in the background. Automation doesn't rely on willpower, it creates wealth on autopilot. If you're getting value from this, hit that like button. It helps the video reach more people who need to stop investing backwards. Once your system's running automatically, it's time to spread your bets intelligently. Step 6. Diversify smartly. Diversification doesn't mean owning 20 cryptos and 15 random stocks. That's confusion, not protection. Real diversification means spreading across different asset classes: stocks, bonds, real estate, maybe some cash equivalents. Each one moves differently, so when one dips, another holds steady. This keeps your wealth stable no matter what the headlines scream. True diversification means you sleep through market chaos. Now that your base is rock solid, we can talk about controlled risk, the fun part. Step 7. Learn before you speculate. Everyone wants to jump into startups, NFTs, or options trading. Problem is, they don't know what they're buying. Here's the rule: earn your right to take risk. Once your foundation is set, You can allocate up to 5% of your portfolio to learning risk. That means speculative investments where you gain knowledge even if you lose money. Speculate with strategy, not desperation. Once you're investing wisely, here's how to multiply it without lifting a finger. Step 8. Reinvest every dollar. Let compounding do its job. Compounding only works if you let it. Most people cash out too early and kill their own growth. Instead, reinvest your dividends and profits automatically. That's how your portfolio snowballs. The growth builds on itself year after year, and one day your money will be making more money than you do. Compounding isn't magic, it's math with patience. Now let's keep more of what you earn by beating the silent killer, taxes. Step 9. Level up with tax efficiency. Taxes are your biggest invisible expense. Make $1,000, keep $700. The rest? Gone. Start using tax-advantaged accounts like 401ks, IRAs, or your local equivalents. Hold long-term, avoid frequent selling, and watch your effective returns rise instantly. This is how you grow wealth quietly, by keeping more of what you already earn. You can't control the market, but you can outsmart the taxman. And finally, the one investment that always beats every market crash. Step 10. Invest in yourself, the highest ROI asset. Most people treat investing as a spreadsheet game, but the best investment you'll ever make is in your own skills, knowledge, and health. Every new skill you learn raises your lifetime income ceiling. Every book, course, and connection compounds your future earning power. You are the first and most important asset you'll ever own. The market can crash, but your skill set never goes to zero. So here's the smartest order to invest your money. Build your safety net. Kill bad debt. Grab the free money. Build your foundation. Automate, diversify, learn, reinvest, protect, and finally invest in yourself. Wealth isn't built by guessing or gambling. It's built in order, one intentional step at a time. Once your system is set, you'll stop reacting to money and start controlling it. And that's when freedom begins, not just financial, but mental. So which step are you on right now? Building your base or leveling up your investments? Comment below. I want to see where you're starting from. If you're serious about building smart wealth and passive income, hit subscribe. This is Jet Set Finance, where we skip the fluff, expose the truth, and build your money step by step. Stickman out.